Derek. I've been birding around my college campus. Hey, fuck off! I'm a trained professional! Shit, babe! Can I have babe? Can I please? I can't bird while I'm feeding, dog. Can I please shoot you, babe? Just one time? Yo, fuck out of my way! Yo, got babe? I don't get to fucking bird without my fucking babe! Ah!
Bro literally rents the scooters here. Like, he does not, like, buy his own.
Sup, fucker? Bet you didn't know these things were all-terrain vehicles. Means you can take them anywhere.
Yeah, as well.
Fucking sick.
He calls himself the Sandwich, but like I don't get it because it doesn't relate to a bird like at all.
Fuck out of my way, stepper! You know, some people say these birds are dangerous, but I think the only thing dangerous about these birds is when I'm on one. Hey, get off the fucking brick!
I'm like 90% sure he doesn't go here. He rode by me the other day and he asked me what school this was.
Hey, get the fuck out of my way! Yeah, fuck!
I remember last year during my freshman orientation, he showed up and tried like hitting on multiple of my friends. He's almost like 30, I'm pretty sure. I don't know.
I take my bird everywhere, even when I have to take a leak. Locked out? Wait. You're fucking kidding me, Dad! That's not my bird budget for the month. God damn it! Walking is so fucking hard.